Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to use AutoCAD for our assignment. So first, I will show you the figure that we are going to make. This is my first time experience in vlogging. Please bear with me. Without further ado, let's get to work. First of all, we need to have an AutoCAD software. Of course, I'll be using AutoCAD 2019 since this is the version closer to the latest one. As you can see, I already opened the software, so I can screen record the process as I've tried to do the figure. Let's get started by simply clicking Open Files, then Vlog 1, and click Open. After that, I will be proceeding to command line option and click the area you desired to do the work. Simply enter the coordinates. So we have to type 1, tab 1, enter. So as you can see, we already have the base. Next, we have to create the next line. So we just simply type 3.1 tab 1, then enter. As you can see, we already have this part. Next, let's click the escape button. Already have this part. Next, let's click the escape button and command line. And let's have 4.5 tab 2.2. And since it's apart from the base of the line, we have to simply connect it. Now we have the first two lines of the figure. Let's have the line directly to the end point, and let us enable the ortho mode for us to have the guide, and simply click it. So since we on the ortho mode, we just have to enter the coordinates or the length, which is 2.3. Drag your mouse horizontally and just enter. After this, we will proceed to the next line, and we just have to make sure that we are following the coordinates and the lengths for us to complete this figure. So I have to put 1.4 tab 30 since we have to make sure that we have the measurement accuracy. For the next line, we just have to hold the mouse vertically and simply type 2.1 and enter. As you can see, we have already the lower part of the figure. Since we have to continue, we just have to enter 1.6, and that will have tab 120 going to the right. We simply draw the next line horizontally. So since we on the ortho mode, we just have to type 1.3. Enter. After this, we have to drag the mouse downward to draw the next line. We just have to simply type 1.4. It's up to you if you're going to tab and put 90. But since I told you the ortho mode is on, you can just simply enter it. As you can see, little by little, we are already having the figure. With that, we need to assure that the next line will be 45 degrees. we just simply have to type the length, which is 2.2 tab 135. Enter. Next, we have to draw the horizontal line, and going to the left, simply enter 1. So, just drag the mouse horizontally to the left and enter. After that, we are going to have this line. Just simply type 1.5 tab 135 going downward. So, I have to tell you that you are not required to use ortho mode. For me, I just used this option for me to have a guide while doing vertical and horizontal lines, so I won't be able to type the degrees from time to time. So going back with the process, I will be having the horizontal line, and I will drag my mouse to the left, so I just need to enter its length, which is 1, then enter. So this is what I am talking about. This is one of the benefits of turning on the ortho mode. Next is the line going downward. So we have to type 2.3 with the length at 60 degrees. So just simply type 2.3 tab 60, enter. And lastly, we have to connect the last line from the base or simply close. So it's up to you. What are you going to choose? And there you have it. Since our professor already taught us how to put dimension, and I also want to check whether we have an accurate figure, so let's make the figure's dimension. So we have to click linear here and click the lines. So as you can see, I have 4 decimal places. So if you decide to change this, you will go back to the dim style again and click modify. Proceed to primary units and click 0.0 precision. And then click OK. So you can see we already have 1 decimal. Then what we have done a while ago, just do that process, repeat the process. And since we all have the linear dimensions, let's proceed with the aligned dimensions. Just simply click the arrow and choose the aligned. Just like what we did a while ago, simply click the line and points and repeat this process. To proceed with the angular. So, angular dimensions will check whether the angles are accurate with the figure we are working on. So, let's proceed. So, just like we did, just select the lines and you can see this, the degrees, and repeat this process. So since I have noticed, just like in the figure, but we don't have line here, so we need to put one. We will simply command line, then I one tab 0 degrees, so enter and then escape, and then click the angular dimension and the line, the last line, and then the line that we drew a while ago, and then there you have it. And for the last one, we have to put simple text. Simply type mtext. Then, drag to the position you are going to put the text. Then type 1, tab 1, and since we have larger font, just simply type the size you prefer. So I have chosen 0.1780. So, I also prefer to change the color so it would match to the previous one. And we're finally done, guys. I hope you learned from this video, and I will show you my final output together with the reference, so you can compare whether I did a great job. That is all for today. Thank you for watching!